Oof, my god, these days vegetables price, they're touching the sky. See? 60 rupees per kg. What is this?
You freshen up, meanwhile I'm making tea.
Okay. Where is Chandan?
He has gone to his friend's house.
Okay. He keeps on goofing around. Why didn't he face any interview?
I don't want to interfere in his life. It's better you should ask.
Okay, let him come. Wow, nice.
Wicked son. क्या बोलता है जाने?
Hi, Bhabhi. How are you?
I'm fine.
So, where is Bhaiya?
He's taking a nap. He was asking about you.
And what did you say?
I said that you are with your friends. By the way, what is your future plan?
My future plan. Bhabhi, very soon you will get to know what I am dreaming of. Okay, Mr. Malhotra. He will come to you. Bye. Catch you later. Chandan. Yes, Bhaiya? Come here. This is Mr. Malhotra's card. You have to go to his office for interview. Interview? Don't worry. It will be just a formality. He is my best friend. I have talked to him. Okay? You have to go there, okay? Okay, Bhaiya. Why didn't you go to Mr. Malhotra? I'm asking something. Why didn't you go to his office? Because I don't want to do a job. Don't want to do a job? If you don't want to do a job, so what do you want to become in your life? I want to become... What? What do you want to do? I want to become... What do you want to become? I'm asking something, for God's sake, speak up! I want to become an actor. What? An actor? Have you gone nuts? You want to become an actor? Becoming an actor is not a piece of cake. On the contrary, it's a hard nut to crack. Do you have any idea? Thousands of people go to Mumbai every day in order to become an actor. But what the reality is, they end up either becoming taxi drivers or working as a waiters. But Bhaiya, I don't want any argument. You will have to do a job and that's final. I am not your slave. I am not your slave. I am not your slave. Don't try to be my father. You are just my elder brother. You are just my elder brother. Just my elder brother. My elder brother. You are just my elder brother. Just my elder brother. My elder brother.
How much will you drink? Stop it now.
Janvi, do you think I don't love my brother? He was 10 years old when our parents passed away. I brought him up. In order to educate him, I stopped my studies. I worked round the clock so that my brother can be settled. Now he has grown up and he's saying that you are just my elder brother. He thinks that I don't love him. He was saying that I am not your slave. Janvi, I'm totally shattered. Totally shattered.
Everything will be fine. Don't worry.
Auditions? Excuse me. Yes? I've come here for audition. Okay. Come inside. Okay. See, we are taking auditions for a web series, and the character which you have to play has misbehaved with his elder brother. Now the character has realized that whatever he did was absolutely wrong. Now the character has to go back to his elder brother and talk. So I want to see that emotion, and the dialogues should be in Hindi. Okay? Okay, sir. So your time starts now. Bhaiya, I'm sorry, Bhaiya. I'm sorry, Bhaiya. मैं तो आपसे माफी मांगने के लायक भी नहीं हूं भैया। मैंने आपका बहुत दिल दुखाया, बहुत दिल दुखाया। मैं कैसे भूल गया कि आपने मुझे भाई की तरह नहीं बल्कि एक बेटे की तरह पाला है। मुझे मालूम है भाई, मेरी खातिर आपने अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी नहीं की, मुझे पढ़ाया। आप हमेशा से चाहते थे कि मैं लाइफ में कुछ बनूं, एक बड़ा आदमी बनूं, आपका नाम रोशन करूं। मैं करूंगा ना भैया, मुझे माफ कर दीजिए भैया। मैं भटक गया था, लेकिन मुझे एहसास है भैया, मुझे एहसास है आप ही मेरे सब कुछ है भैया। मुझसे नाराज मत होइए ना भैया, प्लीज भैया। Amazing, spectacular performance. You are the one I was looking for. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. You're really very talented. You are selected. Come tomorrow with some of the documents like your Aadhaar card and PAN card. And within a week, you will have to go to Mumbai for the shoot. So now, get ready to fly. Thank you, sir. Bhabhi? Hello? Bhabhi, I was just about to call you. Bhabhi, I'm very happy today, very happy. Bhabhi, you won't believe what happened. Bhabhi, I got selected for a web series. Yes. Yeah, Bhabhi, I'm coming home. Yeah. भाभी भाभी भैया I'm sorry भैया I'm sorry for the way I behaved with you भैया I got selected for a web series भैया भैया it was my dream भैया and today my dream has come true I know भैया I really hurt you a lot I'm sorry भैया I'm sorry for what I did but भैया I can't do any job भैया acting is my dream भैया and you know they will pay me 50,000 rupees for this and the shooting will be done in Mumbai tomorrow I have to go with my documents and within a week I'll go to Mumbai भैया it was my dream भैया I'm sorry भैया I really misbehaved with you I'm sorry if you don't stop crying I will slap you. You are an apple of my eye.